To plot this point in a coordinate system, let's first look at the ordered pair. The first number of an ordered pair indicates the x-coordinate, and it tells us the horizontal position of the point. The second number indicates the y-coordinate, and it tells us the vertical position of the point. Now, let's plot the point 0, 2 in a coordinate system. Its x-coordinate is 0, which tells us that the point is located on the y-axis. And its y-coordinate is 2. So, the point 0, 2 is located at the position 2 on the y-axis. Next, let's plot the point 4, 0. It has a y-coordinate of 0, which tells us that the point is located on the x-axis. And its x-coordinate is 4. So, the point 4, 0 is located at the position 4 on the x-axis. Then, let's plot the point -3, 0. Its y-coordinate is 0, which means that the point is located on the x-axis. And its x-coordinate is -3. So, the point -3, 0 is located at the position -3 on the x-axis. Next, let's plot the point 0, 0. Since both the x and y coordinates of the point are 0, it is located at the intersection of the x-axis and the y-axis, which is called the origin. Lastly, let's plot the point 0, -1. It has a x-coordinate of 0, which means that the point is located on the y-axis. And its y-coordinate is -1. So, the point 0, -1 is located at the position -1 on the y-axis.